Hello again, my fellow pilots and my fellow aircraft maintenance personnel. Your host is always Haitham Ali, and I'm an aviation technical instructor. Welcome to my aviation nuggets for today. Today we are going to speak about the Bourdon tube. The Bourdon tube. Okay, what is the Bourdon tube? Bourdon tube is an elastic pressure sensing element. Elastic pressure sensing element. Okay. For example, if we need to measure the engine oil pressure. So, the oil pressure coming here to the inlet of the Bourdon tube, to the inlet for the Bourdon tube. Bourdon tube, everybody, actually is a C-shaped tube. C-shaped tube, as you can see here. And it is one from the elastic pressure sensing element. And the Bourdon tube, everybody, is one from the oldest pressure sensing element, The element is essentially a length of metal tube. This is a metal tube, okay, that having two ends, okay, everybody, a sealed end and one open end that is related to the pressure inlet. Maybe this is the oil pressure. Okay, everybody? Okay, so one end of the tube is sealed and called the free end, and the other end is open, okay, and connected to the pressure source. Okay, the other end is fixed and open and connected to the pressure source. For example, when the engine oil pressure come into the Bourdon tube, it straightens, okay? And due to this mechanical connection, we measure the straightness of the Bourdon tube, Okay, everybody? So when pressure is applied to the Bourdon tube, C-type shaped, it straightens, and the movement is then magnified. By a gearing system and is connected to a pointer to indicate on a scale the pressure of the system, or pressure of engine oil pressure. Okay, everybody? So the Bourdon tube can be manufactured to indicate high or low pressure indication, and it is maybe associated with engine oil pressure. Okay, everybody. So actually the Bourdon tube is an elastic pressure sensing element, and it is one from the oldest pressure sensing element type. Okay, everybody. So we have here the Bourdon tube, C-shaped tube with oval CSA. Okay, and this is a hairspring scale, and this is the pinion, pointer, okay, case, limit stop, link, pH meter temperature compensator, quadrant, pointer balance, and damping choke. Okay, everybody, so again, this was the Bourdon tube. It is one of the oldest pressure sensing element, and it is mainly depend on a C-shaped tube. When it have the pressure of the oil, hydraulic, whatever, it straightens, and we measure this straightens, okay, by this gearing system which connected to a dial or a pointer, everybody. Bourdon tube may be used to measure high or low pressure in the system. Okay, everybody? Thank you always for your good listening, and always fly safely and maintain your aircraft very safely. From Cairo, Egypt, your host was Haitham Ali, and I'm an aviation technical instructor. Thank you and goodbye.